today I want to point out our Vauxhall Antara. As you can see here, lovely presented vehicle. It is £6,000, but with 62,000 miles, that's an absolute great deal for a car. Just take for a little walk around on the car, show you the vehicle condition. See, the car pretty much speaks for itself and what it's going to do for you. Whether you're looking to move some bits of the tip, or if you're looking for those practical school runs, even your summer holidays, whatever the case may be, this car is going to fit your needs. So we'll just have a little walk around the back of the car and show you the boot space. As you can see, the wheels, they need no attention at the moment. As you can see, they haven't been scuffed, so obviously the person who had this car before was good at parking. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of space in the boot. And that's with the seats still up. Obviously the seats will drop with a 60-40 split, so you've got even more room if you need to get anything bigger than the boot space. As you can see there's a lot more space in there. What we do have in here is we don't have a spare tyre, we have an inflation kit. Okay, so it's nice and easy. If you do come into the unfortunate position where your tyre's flat at the side of the road, you're just going to plug that into your old cigarette lighter and it'll pump your tyre up for you. So now we're just going to take you around and to show you the back seats of the car, the space for your passengers. As you can see, there's quite a lot of room in there. And as I mentioned, if you need to, it's a 60-40 split to drop your seats. Just take you into the front to show you what the driver sees. So as we can see in there, obviously all the windows are fully electric. This car does actually benefit from heated seats as well. You have got the Bluetooth, air conditioning, MP3 player, CD player, all the mod cons you look for in a 12-plate car. If you'd like to test drive this car, please do not hesitate to get in touch. I'm Kevin. I'll be waiting for your call.